Yes, Sandra. Yes, I cleared the time, so we'll be on vacation with no disruptions. Yes. Yes, I packed my stuff already. Okay. All right.
This just in. In an earlier report, we mentioned the murder of a woman yesterday in a house located in the Red Hills area. We can now confirm her identity. She is Michelle Wallace, wife of Minister of Government and Member of Parliament Marcus Wallace. Police are still processing the crime scene and say their investigations are ongoing. However, efforts to contact Mr. Wallace have proven futile, but we understand his daughter Tiffany is also missing. We will have more as the story unfolds.
Whisper, meet me at the spot in about 30 minutes here. Just meet me at the spot.
Now, this is getting even more interesting.
Remember this one. Sicky.
Carlton and Trevor, we beg the security and call. Just tell him to make me come upstairs now.
Alright, put all the security on the phone. Yeah, you can let him know. Trevor, what you want? Where are you? We need for talk. So you couldn't call? Credit done. Y'all listen to yourself? Credit done? A big businessman like you not no credit?
A businessman reduced to a yard boy. Carter, you never say you go send the money go give me baby mother then.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. So, are the dead money you send go give the woman them for the youth then? Wait, somebody for send live money? And me breed them? Me for send money for them, do them hair and nails and whatever else? That's your responsibility. Me send money for the youth them to go to school. That's how me promise.
Well, let me tell you this. The little chum change you me I wear, nah I go cut it. I need more.
Wow. You said with your chest, with gusto. Like you deserve more.
When me want more than what you can give.
Yeah, try my patience. You know. Me say, what you do ya? What you want?
Carlton, just calm down. Why are you so aggressive? Why we can't just reason like two civilized person? Eh? Just chill, mate. Stop. How is your wife?
Sandra, right? Trevor. Again. What do you want?